I've been teaching group fitness for over 30 years and I've just turned 50. And along with a lot of my clients who are also in a similar age group, we need to really focus on resistance-based training. Resistance-based training is important for maintaining muscle mass, which helps us maintaining strength and balance, and that's really important as we get older. The Gymstick provides those opportunities and more. And I really love the Gymstick because it's light, it's portable, it's really easy to manipulate resistance, and I can get an excellent workout without having a whole row of weights. As a group fitness instructor, this makes life so much easier because people can manipulate the resistance to suit their needs. And so teaching a class, whether it be face-to-face or on Zoom, makes much easier than teaching a weighted-based class. If you're a group fitness instructor and you're also interested in exploring opportunities to enhance other people's exercise options with resistance-based training, check out my Gymstick workshop on the 12th of December this year. It's going to be a great day where you're going to learn lots of cool new exercises, and you're also going to have a fantastic opportunity to connect with other instructors.